Okay, so revisiting this Thule box some years later here, we had some issues with this bubbling up. The first ABS cement that I used was a container that was pretty much expired, and so it didn't really do very well. So I just stripped it all off with this puppy here, which is ideal for ABS. And got some of the bad stuff out, so I'm going to redo it. I ordered some high heat ABS cement. It's the extra special OD, so that will solve this problem. I redid the underneath, and it looks much better. It's holding fine. It just kind of looked goofy because I didn't do a great job. But I'm going to make it pretty now. I'm going to do a little more work with this wheel here. Smooth it down. Then I got some extra special sauce coming that will work in the high heat of the Mojave Desert. Because when it gets hot, this starts bubbling up. This was the old stuff. And then there was new stuff on top of it. And because of the bad stuff, don't use expired ABS. That's the root of the story. Anyway, I'm going to fix it. It'll look lovely. There you go.